Hey guys, this is I'm on Minecraft, and we have ourselves today a Firecape guide. And now, if you are wondering how to get to Jad, so you're pretty new, I suggest watching my first video, which is basically going to be how to get to Jad. It's waves 1 through 62, and this is just going to be killing Jad. So I'm on wave 62 right now, and what wave 62 is 2 level 360s. And so depending on what gear you're going to use, you're just going to wait until you get to your second 360. And so you can see I'm only on my first. But once you get to your second 360, you're going to change to either your bolts that you brought for Jad. So I'm going to change to my crystal bow, that's new. I'm going to pot up first on my Cerebrew, then my Restore, and then my Range Potion. Then I'm going to go over to my Prayer tab. I'm going to click Protect Range, Steel Skin, and Eagle Eye because I can't use Rigor. And so, you cannot, basically this is how, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to watch for the range attack and you're going to listen for the mage attack. So the mage attack, you're going to hear a thump, and it's going to be da-dump. And once you hear that thump, that means Jad's coming. Or no, that means Jad is attacking with a mage attack. Now you won't be able to hear the range attack. You have to watch for when he jumps in the air with his feet. So you're going to watch me. I'm using the F1 key and the F3 key to change from side to side. Alright, so once I get this level 360 all the way down, I'm going to run all the way over there, and I'm going to do it very quickly. And so, whew, and I gotta say, I'm a little nervous. I'm not going to bullshit you guys. So right now, just checking my supplies. I got a great amount of supplies. I have at least 4 brews and 6 full restores. And when I drink up, I'm going to be a little less than that. Whew. Man, my heart rate is going. So, I'm just waiting to get this down. Now the key thing for Jad, besides changing praise, is to stay calm. And when healers come out, you're going to want to attack a healer, click away, tank all the healers, don't kill them, because this isn't a pure guide, you're not killing him. Alright, so Jad, or this fag is halfway, so I'm going to brew to max HP, get my range potion on, and I'm not going to change to long range, because Crucible has good range. Let's remember, I'm going to change to this right away unless I hear mage attack. That was a mage attack. And we did it. Hopefully that you guys didn't have too much trouble with that. Whew, pretty intense. You see, I got pretty lucky a few times. I messed up the prayer, and look at this. Well, it's on the ground, but oh man. So you get 16k Tolko and a Firecape, and so you can't really see when I change on my Firecapes, but there's definitely two of them. And so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just make sure that you change range when he does his range attack and pray when he does his mage attack. So you guys just need to make sure you change the prayers correctly. When he stomps his feet, that's range pray. When he does a little thump thump, that's a mage pray. Gotta lure the healers, and they're gonna take you down a little bit, so you just gotta stay potted up and try not to do too much at once. See, I finished with 2 complete Certimin brews and 4 restores, and I think I do like this gear more. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, post a comment. This has been I'm on Minecraft.